Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're stepping back to examine the broader structure of Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Since the mid-August peak near 124,000, the market has entered a corrective phase, forming lower highs along a descending trendline. This setup looks strikingly similar to the January through April period earlier this year. Back then, the 21-day exponential moving average crossed below the 50-day exponential moving average on February 18th, shortly after the January high. That cross confirmed weakness, rather than serving as an early warning, and price continued falling for weeks. Eventually, Bitcoin retested the 200-day exponential moving average, which acted as a structural floor before stabilization, a reclaim of shorter averages, and a breakout above the descending trendline in April. The current picture mirrors that episode. The same cross of the 21-day exponential moving average below the 50-day exponential moving average appeared again on August 29th, after 2 weeks of steady declines. Bitcoin has already fallen about 13% from the August peak, now trading near 107,000, just above the 200-day exponential moving average, around 104,000. If history rhymes, we could retest that long-term average and even the psychological 100,000 level beneath it. Structurally, this daily cross signals momentum remains corrective. Until price can break its descending trendline and reclaim the resistance cluster between 112,000 and 114,000, pressure stays on the downside. A strong rebound from the 200-day exponential moving average would be the first sign that sellers are exhausted and stability is returning. Another factor, overall money flow has been negative since August 26th. This has happened only once since September 2024, during February's downturn, which saw a 26% decline from peak to trough. That historical echo makes the current setup notable. Looking forward, macro events matter. The Federal Reserve's potential rate adjustment in 16 days may influence broader risk sentiment, as seen during past easing cycles. However, there are no ETF inflow updates today, with US markets closed for Labor Day. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found value and subscribe with notifications on to stay informed. And see you in the next one.